So guys, I'm live here at LiQWYD Art Gallery in Abuja, and as you can see, it's a very wonderful place. It's quiet, with lots of artworks and all of that, and it's just amazing. She's really like a strong woman, and I admire her a lot. So that's one of the reasons why I came here to visit the place, to see and know more about her, because I read about her online, and it's just amazing. So this is me, just here. My bicycle, and I'm going back. But hope you guys just enjoy what you see. So guys, I'm here, and the place looks funny, like the entrance and everything, but I hope it looks nice inside. But this is it though, LiQWYD Art Gallery. They look good and nice. If you love painting, you can learn one or two things about this place. Well, I'm going to ask questions so that you get a
work of artists. We have metal work, we have wood carving, stone carving, and here is the work of one of our famous artists. This is a metal work.
Wow.
This is one of our famous novelist. Also.
Yeah.
Professor Wale Soyinka. As you can see. And this man is made from nuts.
Wow.
Touch it. It's made from nuts.
True.
Yes. And here we have some masses in the olden days. That is the sign of appreciation.
Okay.
To the warriors in the olden days. Maybe one battle, they can give them as a sign of appreciation. And here we have a metal work here. Greeting you, a carbon, that you are welcome.
Okay.
They are happy that you are here. They are jubilating.
Okay,
of your
nice.
arrival.
Yeah.
And here we have a stone work. As you can see, this is Oya.
What does it mean?
It's a wife to Songo. This is Songo.
Okay.
In the olden days, Songo have two wives. We have Oya, and Oya is the wife that Songo love so much. And we have God of Iron too also. This God of Iron. Yes, in the olden days. And the small one you are looking at is the replication of the big one. And how we have some woodwork here also. If you look at it, you see that it looks like a throne.
Yeah.
Yes, it's also a throne. And maybe if you want it, you can buy it. It also serves as a center table. Each of them you can buy it. Serve as a center table also. And here is it's made from slippers.
Stop.
That is the work of Joseph Eze.
Wow. This is nice.
Slippers you are wearing.
It's true. See. Wow. This is lovely. Okay. So which are our
What it
important?
means? Sorry.
Okay. I don't break it too.
What it means is a group of people. It's a street, maybe in Lagos, where people are moving.
Yeah, it looks
in
like
different
Lagos
towns.
something. Yeah.
Tie and dye. How they do the tie and dye is how you fold it, you get your design.
Nice, that's very nice. How much
Everybody-
is that one?
This one. This one is 15,000.
Wow.
I also have some candle wax here. So we have different type of adire.
Okay.
We have two types. We have candle wax and we have adire leko. Adire leko is the indigenous one.
Okay. Which is that
That
one?
is the one they do in the olden days.
Okay.
Before they come across this new modern way of
Wax
doing
one.
it. This one, you have your cassava flavor. That is cassava flavor, amala.
Okay.
After you have it, you go take it to the water, hot water.
Okay.
After you stir it together, it will not hard. It will soft like water. So you apply it. You take your knife and broom
Okay.
and chicken feather
Wow.
and make your design.
Wow.
And if you see it now, there is difference between this candle wax and this.
Yes.
This adreleko, you can't see the inside.
Okay.
Yes, you only see
The
where you
outside.
apply
Yes.
but this one.
It will be on both the inside and the outside.
And this one, the way they do it, you buy your candle as a solid particle in the market, as a slate. After you buy it, you have your stove. After you have your stove, you light it, you have your pot. After you have your pot, you put the candle wax into the pot, and the candle will become liquid, it will melt. And you have your phone as a sign of pencil, that is as a sign of your Bible that you are using to write. So there is a probability that when you sharp the foam and put it inside the wax, it will absorb. The foam will absorb the wax, and you take the foam to the material and do whatever design you want. After you do your design, you take it to the dyeing pit and dye it. After you dye it, with the wax is with hot water. That's what it will think it's a printing work. It's not a printing work.
Wow.
It takes a lot of time. If you look at it very
What do you say the name of the artist is again?
This Rotimi Akinlere.
Okay.
And as you can see, this is not an ordinary bush. If you look at it, you think it's an ordinary bush.
Yes.
If you look at it very well, you see some faces there.
Yes, yes.
There's a lot of faces there.
Yes, you see them.
What they stand for is maybe you are inside the bush. You don't know another person hearing you. Maybe you and your friend, you are gossiping about another person. You don't know, maybe another person will be hearing you. That is what.
Wow, that's what it means. Okay.
And this also one our famous artist work. This is Olabi Ayodele. This is the Lagos State University.
Okay. Olabi Ayodele. Okay.
That is when they are using Ojo very cool.
Yeah.
This abstract work, if you see, look at it very well, you see some warrior there.
Yes.
Yes, some abstract work. And that one up is a bead work.
Wow.
Small bead. It's
So
also an
fine.
abstract, yes.
That's lovely. How about these things on the floor? This small things.
That's the mass that I've explained earlier.
Okay. Like to appreciate the hunters and the rest.
Yes. And this is a metal work. It's the work of Esau.
Okay.
It's this Lagos State.
Yeah, it looks like it already. What about these things here? This one. Okay.
And this ram is made from tire.
Wow. It's true. Looks like same to the other one too. Okay.
And this is a traditional man.
Okay.
And this is the work of our CEO herself.
Yeah.
She's Mrs. Nicholas.
Wow. Lovely.
Our work is a lot of motives. You can see.
But what is the inspiration behind this one that she drew here?
That one is carrying that.
Wow. It's nice.
And this is the market.
She did this one too.
No.
Okay.
This is one is the one with the metal.
Okay.
This one.
It's all. Alright.
These are what
Okay, that's enough. I think I've learned from here.
and this is the work of Kehinde Balloon. It's also one of our famous artists.
Okay.
You see a lot of things about
Women.
what it means now. He said, without seeing the women, merely seeing their back, you can admire them without seeing their faces.
Okay, I get
And
it.
he said, women carry, if you look at it now, you see another people in themselves.
Yes.
Yes, he said, women carry a lot of body in themselves.
Yeah, true.
I also have some textile here.
Okay, let's see.
This tie and dye. I will have this cassava paste
Yeah, like the one that you showed me.
and
before.
this hand wax.
Okay.
They are all for sale.
How much?
We have 2.5 yard and we have 5 yard.
So how much is 2.5 here?
2.5 yard is 7,000.
Oh, Maria. Did you guys hear that one?
And 5 yard too is 15,000.
Oshe. So these ones are from Edo
These are
State.
from-
Yeah. These are chiefs. So what about these three ladies?
These are warriors from northern parts.
Yeah, I saw that one too.
Nigeria. These men are also from northern parts.
Okay. Nice.
And I don't know if you've heard about
But heard about what?
State.
Yes, I have. This is it. Yes. I've gone there. So fine.
And these ladies is remembering when she was still in the village with her friend.
Okay.
You know, there will be a difference between you in city and when you are still in village.
Yeah,
So
true.
the kind of friend that you have in the village, that is not the kind of friend you have in the city.
Yeah.
So that's
forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video is well. Like, share, and comment. Love you guys.